Hello again, and welcome back to video 2, where we're going to talk about resource and database selection. So let's talk first about what a library database is. A database is a collection of related information that is used for research. Specifically, it's digital content, so it could be newspapers or ebooks or videos, that sort of thing. Academic journals can be found in databases. Some databases include academic journals among other resources, and some are focused just on academic journals, so it depends on the database. Users can search an individual database or a collection of databases. And specifically, Miller Library subscribes to databases through EBSCOhost. And I'm going to show you in just a moment how to link to EBSCOhost on the library catalog and online resources page. Databases suggested for natural science majors are biological abstracts. That's going to be the one I'm going to demonstrate for you today. That's going to be kind of the most far-reaching within the disciplines for the natural sciences, but still focused on your particular disciplines. We also have Academic Search Premier, which is a multidisciplinary database, but it does provide a lot of good natural science content. And then to get a little bit more specific within the field, we have Agricola, which is focused on agriculture resources, and then Medline, which for any of you like pre-med majors would be medicine-related information. So that's what a database is. And let's talk for just a second about some of the differences between databases and Google Scholar. One difference in particular that I want to highlight here is metadata. So you'll see here the Google Scholar kind of snip is on that left-hand side of the page, and it provides definitely the title of the article, the authors, the journal, an abstract. That's all helpful information. But when you're talking about databases, a huge value added is that the database provides additional metadata or data about the article that is included within the record for the article. So you can see here within the biological abstracts database specifically, there's additional information that is added about major concepts. There's biosystematic codes and organisms and chemicals and biochemicals and concept codes. A lot of this information, your advisor will help you to be able to navigate because again, if you have a good background knowledge of your particular topic, you'll be able to really use that metadata to have more focused searching. Another difference between databases and Google Scholar that I want to highlight is that since databases curate content, if you're searching a database, you're searching just kind of the curated content that is all brought together for that particular database. So again, biological abstracts is going to be all this natural sciences, high quality research information. Whereas if you're searching Google Scholar, you're searching just like literally everything that Google has determined is potentially scholarly in nature. So you could pull in articles from other disciplines or of lower quality as well. So that's a little bit of a distinction between databases and Google Scholar. So let's talk next about just how to access databases through Miller Library. So if you go to the Miller Library webpage, which is mcpherson.edu/academic/library, you'll see right here there's this library catalog and online resources link. And if you click on that, this will take you to the page that just gives you all of the information about the library's print and digital collections. Right here are all of our online resource links, and the very first one is that EBSCOhost academic databases link. So we'll go ahead and log in there, click there. It will ask you to authenticate to your McPherson College email and password. I believe I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, it should just go straight through, but you'll see it's trying to authenticate to my Outlook. And here we go. So now we're into EBSCOhost. And again, EBSCOhost has a variety of databases. So if you were a psychology major, here would be, some of your psychology databases and so on and so forth. Again, I've highlighted those 4 databases that are going to be particularly relevant for your research. And biological abstracts, I'm going to scroll down here. These are all listed alphabetically, is listed right here. And you'll see it's a complete collection of bibliographic references covering life sciences and biomedical research literature, and these are just published from academic journals. In fact, there's about 4,000 that are included. You can select more than one database to search at a time, but I'll show you by searching just one at a time, you'll be able to really take advantage of those metadata fields that we talked about just a bit ago. So in order to open up the database, you click on the hyperlink, and that will open up the main search screen. And you can see here we're searching biological abstracts. One other thing that I would like to highlight here is that there's an option here at the top to sign in. And if you click on that, you're logged in through your college email, you're able to access content. But if you sign in to EBSCOhost itself, there's a lot of other functionality that comes with that, which we'll talk about in a little bit. But go ahead and you'll just create, what's the word? Like a username and password, an account. You can just say create one now, and it's really simple to set up. So I would recommend that you do that. And again, we'll talk a little bit more soon about the benefits of that. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in just a little bit.